before flight regulations and other drones regulations. First, before you fly, check the GeoZone app if you can fly or where you can fly. Now when we are aware of the GeoZone, we can go to our next regulation, and before we fly with the drone, we're going to have to attach our operator number to the drone. It could be on the side of the drone, it could be on the front of the drone, that doesn't really matter. Just have to be in the visible place, and as well the operator number could be in the format of the QR code, that's depending on the countries. The next requirement before you fly with your drone is to check the condition of your drone, just to make sure the drone is in a good condition, there's no any damage and it's safety to fly. And read the user manual to be aware of your drone limitation. And remote identification is required to fly in the EU. If your drone is not fitted with a remote identification, you will require to have additional module. The only exemption is C0 drones, they're not required remote identification. And to make sure the weather conditions are good to fly, do not fly in a very high wind condition because that could damage your drone and put some potential risk for other people. And make sure you don't fly when it's raining because as well that could damage your drone and potentially have some risk for the other people. And when you're flying at night in the EU, you're required to have fitted green flashing light to your drone. And some of the EU countries, they're not allowed to fly your drone at night in the open category. They're only allowed to fly in the specified or certified category after you got authorization. And when you're flying with your drone, please do not forget you're not allowed to involve in the people's privacy. You're not allowed to record the people without their permission. You're not allowed to fly in the, for example, in the backyard of their house. You're not allowed to record them. You're not allowed to fly close to the people on the beach and record them, even if a classification label allowed you to fly close to the uninvolved people. That means if you allow, it doesn't mean you always should do, and you always have to be aware of that privacy of other people. Other people may not like it, you record them. And in case if you record any video involved in the people's privacy, you will have to delete that video. And remember, you're always taking the full responsibility for your flight. If you're breaking the law, you may be fined for that or even prosecuted. And always when you're taking a drone flight, you have to be aware of any danger in the air. For example, there could be some emergency response, helicopter flying, and you will have to stop your flight. And that could be even the seagulls attacking your drone. They can easily knock your drone down, and that could potentially put some people on the risk when your drone falling off from the sky. And be aware of other aircraft flying in the air, for example, other drones. And if you want to check any other drones regulation in the EU for open category, browse my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and we see you in the next video.